Welcome to my 5-star academy. Today we make magic lemonade. Let's shake it up together. First, we need fresh lemons. Slice them thin and neat. Music makes drinks taste better.
Look at this beautiful blue tea.
Goal! Perfect aim! Fresh mint is the secret. Balance is key in bartending. Magic sparkles everywhere. Keep your eyes on the bottle. Watch the magic color change.
Wow! It is turning purple!
Here is your refreshing drink. Feeling energized, are we? A touch of fire for flavor. Pop goes the smoke bubble. Lights on, showtime. Adding a drop of sweet honey. One, two, three, got 'em all!
Look at the purple whirlpool!
An umbrella for sunny days. Counting the ice cubes. 1, 2, 3. Shake it fast like a pro. Spin, spin, spinning around.
Music is in the juice.
Flawless performance.
A flower inside the bubble.
I am the coolest chef here. A perfect circle for my friends. Fly away, little birds. Building a cold ice tower. 3 drinks ready at once. Sparkling like the night sky. A crown splash for the king. Stay cool and refreshing. Yummy. Simply the best. Pick your favorite drink. Oh. Class dismissed. See you next time.